Emily!
Oh my God, what are you doing here?
I had to see you one more time before you took off.
You are so sweet.
Oh. Yeah, that's a big candy bar. I had the most amazing time with you.
Me too.
This is the final boarding call for flight 009.
Well, that's me. Here, have this. I'm only allowed one piece of carry-on anyway.
Wait, listen, I have to tell you something. I've been thinking. I'm just gonna come out and say it, okay? I think I love you.
Oh. Thank you.
It's no problem. Before you took off.
Take off.
Swisher 363 cleared for takeoff.
So, I'm gonna take off.